черные,
очень черные,
очень страстные,
страстные,
очень жгучие и прекрасные. Как люблю я вас, как боюсь я вас, знать увидела вас не в добрый час. I drove 70 up the PCH. I'm lucky I didn't get arrested or crashed.
You've been crying or smoking weed?
I wish.
Yeah.
Nice to see you too, Bruce dear. No, just my allergies. I wish I can change the smell of your bitterness. Or just fly away, like one of those seagulls.
We were all mesmerized by your performance, dear.
Don't exaggerate.
Such beauty, such a voice. You really should be doing features.
I'm very pleased to meet you. I'm a big fan of your work. Let's go to Cabo, Bruce. Deep sea fishing. Just you and me, the wind and the waves.
Big fish jumping out. We've talked about it enough. I mean, why the hell not, huh?
We rent the boat.
Yeah, well, Travis, he'll feel excluded, huh?
He's writing a new script.
Yeah.
It'll be fun, Bruce. Like a Hemingway story. The reality show is over and I'm free. Free as a bird. Visiting your tribe.
I never saw your show, darling.
It was called America's Next Action Hero. Everything from acting to acrobatics. I was climbing the walls, both literally and figuratively. I got second place. Mr. Trigger, I don't understand how a great artist like you spends all his time fishing.
Well, I work so much, fishing's like a liberation.
Well, if I had that talent, I'd never stop writing. Don't you want to achieve a masterpiece?
I was hoping. I missed you. Sweetness of your lips. I can't live a day without that taste.
I'm moving to New York, taking soap opera job.
So I'll see you.
You'll see me.
I'll see you.
You'll see me.
I'll see you. See you.
See ya. I love him. I love him passionately. Don't ever tell him. He'll probably make a movie about it someday. Do you remember how it was? Before Trav. Before.
I remember everything.
Long before me, it was energy. Crystalline energy that imagined me. Down to the tiniest detail. Long before me, there was energy. Energy that imagined everything that ever was or will be in history. I'm a good actress. You won't be disappointed.